Welcome back to Future Fuel, your trusted source for everything automotive. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Hyundai Creta, a compact SUV that's ready to take the market by storm. With a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology, the 2025 Hyundai Creta is redefining what we expect from a compact SUV. Let's explore what makes this vehicle a game-changer. Sleek and stylish. Hyundai has upped its game with the 2025 Creta's design. The bold front fascia, featuring a redesigned parametric grille, integrates seamlessly with the sleek LED headlights. The daytime running lights now sport a futuristic design that enhances the SUV's dynamic character. From the side, the sharp character lines and striking alloy wheels add to its commanding road presence. At the rear, the Creta boasts a modernized tailgate design with connected LED tail lamps that complete its sophisticated look. With new color options and attention to every detail, this SUV is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Engine options for every need. The 2025 Hyundai Creta offers a variety of powertrains, catering to different driving preferences. Starting with a reliable 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, it's perfect for those seeking smooth and efficient city drives. For enthusiasts, the 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivers exhilarating performance with impressive torque. Hyundai has also introduced a mild hybrid variant to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DCT transmission, the Creta's driving experience is smoother than ever. Advanced interior technology. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a tech-forward cabin designed to keep you connected and comfortable. The 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster enhances the futuristic vibe, providing clear and customizable driving information. Hyundai has also introduced a panoramic sunroof, which floods the cabin with natural light, elevating the overall experience. The premium materials and attention to detail create an upscale ambiance, making every journey feel special. Safety first. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Hyundai Creta doesn't compromise. The SUV is equipped with Hyundai SmartSense, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control ensure peace of mind on every drive. Additionally, the robust chassis and 6 airbags provide excellent protection in case of an accident. Hyundai's commitment to safety makes the Creta a dependable choice for families and individuals alike. Connectivity and convenience. The 2025 Creta is also packed with features that make your life easier. The personalized arrival of bulletproof cars could be regarded as an opportunity for the technology to overcome the mistakes made by humans. The Bose premium sound system, cabin temperature, and vehicle tracking through your smartphone. The Bose premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, whether you're taking a road trip or commuting to work. Wireless charging, ventilated seats, and multi-zone climate control add a layer of convenience, ensuring the Creta remains a leader in its class. Pricing and availability. Hyundai has managed to offer all these upgrades without breaking the bank. With a competitive starting price, the 2025 Hyundai Creta is accessible to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're prioritizing style, performance, or technology, this SUV delivers exceptional value. Final thought. The 2025 Hyundai Creta is more than just a compact SUV. It's a statement. With its advanced features, striking design, and versatile performance, it's set to dominate the roads. If you're in the market for a car that combines practicality with innovation, the Creta deserves a top spot on your list. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the hottest cars hitting the market. Until next time, drive safe and stay fueled with passion.